Hi everybody, thanks for watching. This video I'm going to do an unboxing of AC Cobra. It's going to be a quick video, I think, because I ain't got much time. And I'm going to put a chip in it. It's a 7005 chip, F1 chip. It just fits in everything. This is what I've used for me type Jag and that old Sierra I've done and other things, so they just fit in. So looking at this AC Cobra in box, it all looks alright. Looks quite nice. Snake Eyes version. Shelby Cobra. Just put it out of box. Box is just standard scale electric box. It's got licensing and things on the back. Just pretty much standard scale electric really. There's no to write home about that box. Car's looking alright. Big cog on. We've gone back to having motors at front like the E-Type, with shaft down and then gear at back. It's got Cobra emblem just on there as well. Tyres look alright, look pretty true. A lot of people, I've seen reviews on these before, a lot of people don't like them. They don't like the back end at car. They slate them quite a bit. There's a mould line just here. On some models it's there, and then there again, look on back. On some models it's there, and on some models it's not. On green ones, it's like paint's like gone a bit thick and it's covered it up. Some of it's covered up, and then on another lot of green ones, there's not much paint on them, so they haven't got that line. But I've never seen one of these in flesh, so in real life, so I'm not sure if it's supposed to have a mould line there or not. If it's just like a wing, like the rear wing and the rear bumper, like the door moulding line. Obviously that should be there because it's the door. So should these lines be here? I'm not sure. But don't put me off at car. Car seems alright. I quite like it. I'll flip me track back to analog and I'll give it a whirl. That's what it looks like on track and analog. Seems quite sprightly. You can see red lights on the back, and I pull the trigger on a little bit. You can see the yellow lights on the front seem alright. So this is an analog. This version's analog, so it seems alright. That's full power. That's full power down straight. Yeah, so it goes down track pretty well, quite like it. And I'll just put it on my turntable so you can see it, spin it around for you. You can see that mould line there on that back wing. I think it looks pretty cool, that does. It goes quite well. Sounds alright. Lights work. It does everything for me. It seems alright. Does everything I expect it to do. Sticks to the track well. It's quite quick. So now all I need to do is just put a digital chip in it. And that's it for this video, guys, I think. Catch you on the next one.